See, I just transplanted these snap peas. They had some little bamboo sticks on them, like 2 feet long, and they just weren't long enough. They were already going past the top. So it's at Home Depot. You can get these at your local big box store. These are 6 feet long. Bamboo, you get 6. So that works out perfectly because I usually like to do like a teepee of 3 pieces. So that'll work great in this garden here. You can see I've got these over here, same technique that I've been using. But I got these bamboo from a friend's house that has bamboo. So it works just the same, exactly the same. In fact, these are about the similar thickness that I picked up from a friend of mine. So that saved me a little bit of money. So these are, for each pack, it's $2.98, $3. So you can grow whatever you want. Pole beans, snap peas, things that don't carry a massive amount of weight, but for $3 and a container, this is a great way to grow vertical and grow for super cheap. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I'll show you how to do this. So we'll grab 3 for this one. So you're gonna want 3 plants that you're gonna grow up and kind of make a triangle out of it. You can see I got them kind of leaning out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna poke it down kind of right towards the outer edge at a slight angle because we're gonna do a teepee. So angle them in a little bit and start about 1 inch and then angle towards the corner. So I'm gonna end up down here towards the corner. All right, let's do one more. So poke that down. All right, now they're gonna come up. All we gotta do is tie this together. Do some tie wire right on the top right there. So what I'm also gonna do is kind of train these to I'll wrap these back around so to get them growing again. See these other ones I did here as well. This is a little shorter one. This one's only about 5 feet right here. This one I added a huge extension on. Look at this. It's going up about 8 feet. Same as this one. Pole bean going up 8 feet. Check this out though. It slides out. It's like this is an extension. This will slide all the way out. Easy way to extend your poles here. So you look at, I was maxing out here. This is getting too short. So how do you extend that? Simply slide in a smaller piece. All right, all done here. Look at this. Only took like 5 minutes. Very quick and easy. Got a 6-foot trellis done for less than $3. That's pretty unbelievable. You can see I already got it wrapped up going around here. These little arms, kind of just got to help them out, kind of wrapping around, and they'll grab a hold. So I put a good layer of leaves that'll give these guys a good start, keep them insulated, happy. You always want to do some mulch. There we go, folks. $3. You can be growing anything you want up these. Pretty cheap and easy to have a vertical garden. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below.